I just thought that was 2001 for a second. 996 scared me.
Northern Clinton County, southeastern Clark County, Greene County, southeastern Montgomery County, southwestern Madison County, until 5:15
That's a big boy.
At 4:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Waynesville, moving northeast at 70 miles an hour.
The FR600 went off for another SVA. That's kind of funny.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Kettering, Beaver Creek, Fairborn, Mason, Xenia, Lebanon, Springboro, Wilmington, Millbrook, Oakwood, Yellow Springs, Cedarville, Waynesville, Salina, Jamestown, South Charleston, Jeffersonville, Wilberforce, and Riverside.
No, never mind. What is this?
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Champaign County, southeastern Logan County, northwestern Clark County, north central Madison County, southwestern Union County, Ohio, until 5:30 p.m.
That did not
At
take long.
4:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Springfield, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour